How to buy HEXYDOG token. So this token came under the symbol of HEXY. Now before we start, this is not financial advice. I'm not professional or economic expert. So before investing in any project that you find on my channel, please do your own research, and also there is a referral code down in the description. You can get free money rewards on crypto with the best referral code. Simply use codes below. Find your account, enjoy the benefits. Check them out in the description. Now, as you can see, before going on buy this token, make sure to check the X account and keep following the updates about this token. As you can see, this token it's in the pre-sale. As you can see, they said here pre-sale is live. So after you click on their official website, you will be able to redact to this page. As you can see, now first of all, connect your wallet. Now select your wallet from here. As you can see, now I will select my wallet as a Bitkit wallet. Now click on connect. So after you connect your wallet, what you need to do, select the network from here. If you want to select the Ethereum, BNB chain, or Solana. So after you select the network, what you need to do, switch here from these three tokens, or you can select the card from here. So if you select the token, as you can see here, it will be changed. So after you select the token that you want to buy with, but make sure that you have enough of that token you selected on your wallet. Now here type how much you want to buy. As you can see here, you will be able to see how much you receive that token. After that, click on buy HEXY. Now the pop-up will be appear here from your wallet to complete the buy process. Click on approve. So as you can see, I don't have any fund on my wallet, I can't complete. So for you, just click on approve and confirm the transaction to be able to buy this token. So if you select the card here, as you can see, you have two providers, the Change Now and the MoonPay. So after you click on approve, buy, click on buy, the pop-up will appear here to select one of these. As you can see, if you select the MoonPay, you will be able to redact it to their website, but make sure to have an account to one of these to buy this token. So this is how to buy HEXY token. If you found this very helpful, please like and subscribe. See you in the next video.